Oregon requires a truck camper to be registered and titled within 30 days of purchase. I'm not an expert with the registration and titling of a truck camper, and rules do vary from state to state. In this episode, I'm just sharing my experience with Oregon's DMV, what we paid for and how much we paid. Most states don't require truck campers to be registered or titled because truck campers are considered cargo. To date, these are the 9 states where you need to register for your truck campers if you live in one of them. They are Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Utah, Nebraska, Mississippi, Tennessee, Indiana, and Rhode Island. For more information on Oregon, check out the DMV Title and Registration Handbook. According to Chapter L of the handbook, camper and travel trailer registration is based on length and valid for a 2-year period. Our truck camper measures 11 feet and 11 inches. Based on this schedule, we paid $87.75 for registration, and we will need to pay for the registration renewal fee every 2 years. In addition to the registration fee, we also paid $12 for one license plate for the truck camper, and you'll pay more if you want a customized plate. Truck campers are exempted from a county registration fee, even for Multnomah County, Washington County, and Clackamas County. Next up, truck camper title. A title states proof of ownership. 9 states require registration, but 11 states require a truck camper title. The 11 states are Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, Utah, Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi. So 7 states require truck campers to be both registered and titled, and they are colored in green here. Nebraska only requires registration, whereas Montana, Michigan, Ohio, and Kentucky only require the truck camper to be titled. We paid $101 for the title fee, and this is a one-time payment. We've paid off the truck camper, so we were told that the title will be received in the mail within the next 6 to 8 weeks. Because we had an out-of-state title, we also paid $7 for the VIN inspection fee. The DMV staff just had to check in person that the VIN on the truck camper matched the one on the seller's title. In total, we paid slightly over $200 for the title, a 2-year registration, 1 license plate, and a VIN inspection. And we hope this had been helpful to some of you out there.